Phrasal verbs, the part of English that English learners love most, right? What's up guys, my name is Shane and in today's video you will learn 25 phrasal verbs. But before we get started, let's talk about what a phrasal verb is. A phrasal verb normally has two parts. The first part is a verb. A verb is a doing word, an action. And the second part is a preposition. A preposition shows the relationship between two things. Phrasal verbs are just like normal verbs. You can change their tense. For example, pick up. This is a phrasal verb which can mean to lift something up. He picked up the pen, past. He is picking up the pen, present. He will pick up the pen, future. Easy, right? Okay, let's look at the first phrasal verb for today. Number 1, ask around. This means to ask many people the same question to get help. For example, I lost my dog, so I'm asking around to see if anyone has seen him. Number 2, back somebody up. This means to support or to help someone. An example sentence could be, I had a problem with my boss, but my colleague backed me up. Number 3, break down. This means to stop working, and this phrasal verb is normally used with machines. For example, my car broke down last night, so I have to get it fixed. Number 4, break in. This means to enter a place without permission, normally by breaking a window or a door. An example, somebody broke into his house last night and stole his laptop. Number 5, break up. This means to end a relationship. An example sentence, John and Mary broke up last weekend. Number 6, ring somebody up. This means to use the phone to talk to someone. An example, I couldn't ring him up last night because I had no signal. Number 7, catch up. This means to meet someone. An example sentence could be, do you want to catch up for a coffee tomorrow? Number 8, check in. This means to report your arrival somewhere, normally at a hotel or an airport. An example sentence, the check-in counter is over there. Number 9, check out. This means to report your departure somewhere, normally at a hotel. An example sentence could be, what time do you have to check out? Number 10, drop out. This means to stop doing something before it's finished. This phrasal verb is normally used with university and school. An example sentence could be, you shouldn't drop out of school. Number 11, eat out. This means to eat at a restaurant and not eat at home. An example sentence, I don't want to cook tonight, let's eat out. Number 12, fall apart. This means to break something into smaller pieces. An example, these shoes are really old, they are falling apart. Number 13, get along. This means when two people like each other. An example sentence, they are really good friends, they get along really well. Number 14, get around. This means to travel to many places. An example sentence could be, he's so lucky, he's always getting around to new places. Number 15, get together. This means to meet. An example sentence could be, let's get together tomorrow after work and go to the gym. Number 16, give something back. This means to return. An example sentence could be, give his book back. Number 17, go out. This means to leave the house and go somewhere. An example sentence could be, I want to go out tonight. Number 18, go without. This means to not have something. An example sentence could be, he's going without new shoes so he can save money. Number 19, hand something down. This means to give something to someone who is younger than you because you don't need it anymore. An example sentence could be, I handed my clothes down to my younger brother because they don't fit me anymore. Number 20, let someone in. This means to allow someone to enter. An example sentence could be, he's waiting at the door, let him in. Number 21, look down on someone. This means to think you are better or superior than someone else. An example sentence could be, he's always looking down on people who aren't as rich as he is. Number 22, make up. This means to be friendly with someone after an argument or a problem. An example sentence could be, they are always fighting, but in the end, they always make up. Number 23, pass out. This means to become unconscious, normally when you are drunk or sick. An example sentence could be, after he drank the bottle of vodka, he passed out. Number 24, pass something up. This means to not accept something. An example sentence could be, he passed the job offer up because the pay wasn't high enough. And last one, number 25, put somebody down. This means to make somebody not feel good. An example sentence could be, he's always putting his staff members down when he's in a bad mood.